Okay, everyone. It's Vince from Trading Winds, and it is just after the close on Friday afternoon. I thought I'd do our weekend update now. Um, I have a bit of a busy weekend coming up. So let's have a look at the Dow here, up 137. Not a great day, but hey, a continuation of this move. And so that is good. That is positive. That is bullish. The S&P up almost 14 points following through on yesterday's high, and the Nasdaq up 40. So all looking pretty good. The Russell up 8, still just under the 20 there, but this should be resolved next week. But overall, a bullish end to the week and a bullish week overall. What wasn't bullish was crude oil. Crude oil down over 3% today. So it looks like it's headed for this low here, back near 70, and then potentially near 66, where the low of that range is. So um, energy pulling back here. Gold, though, on the other hand, beautiful breakout here again above the prior all-time high and closing out near the high of the day. So this one looking great here right now into all-time high territory, finishing the week off very strong. Silver up over 2%. And have a look at that. It finished above that level that we've been talking about, right? That orange line right there. So just north of 29. There it is, closing out at the high of the day. That's all right as well. Bond yields lower, the dollar lower. That looks like it's going to continue going lower. And the VIX back below 15. What a drop back from where we were. Now, look at a few stocks. A couple we talked about in our chat. One was AEM, which is a Agnico Eagle here. That's a gold play, right? And with gold breaking out to new highs, well, same thing here. Let me draw this in right here. And there it is, a nice clean break to all-time highs. Here's the weekly. Here's the month. Well, sorry, I correct myself. Not all-time highs, but all-time high is the next target here, near 89. We finished off here right at 80. So that looks really good to me. That's a nice long gold play there. And then we have SO, which we talked about during our session. That looks pretty good here. Couple of re-entries right along that 20 here, just north of it. But if you look at the weekly, the monthly, all-time highs, looking pretty good. Unfortunately, I mean, AEM has decent options, no question. AEM is fine. These others that I'm talking about, options are a little sketchy, but OGE is another one here, consolidating right near the 20. Again, multiple re-entries here, looking like it wants to pop. Not near a high. I mean, not far from a high, but not a lot of overhead resistance there either. Another one, NEE here. Next Era Energy. That's a beautiful re-entry right there, right along that upsloping 20. Oops. Wait a second. No, that's the 1 minute. That's what I thought. Something's wrong here. No, the weekly is above the 20 and the monthly is above the 20. Again, it looks like there's a lot here, but there really isn't when you look at the volume by price. And lastly, INSM. That's a nice look here. Nice re-entry. Now, even though we don't have a lot of slope on the 20, again, this is what I would call a nice retest of that 20. So I like that. And where we're sitting is near all-time highs. Again, lots of buying going on. So those are a few there to consider, but certainly it was a positive day overall for equities and a very strong finish for gold with that move to all-time highs. All right, we'll be back Monday with another live market chat. We kick off at 1 p.m. Eastern. Until then, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have a good one. Get some rest, and we'll see you on Monday. Take care.